Wow, welcome to another fake token video. Now fake token to hit 10,000% by the end of 2023. Now remember that fake token feed every gorilla token. Fake has continued to do well. In fact, fake is now gaining about 7% in the past 24 hours, but fake still remains one of the best crypto coins people believe that can really make a lot of people millionaires. But right now, fake token, in terms of market cap, of course they've really tried. They have over $14 million market cap on fake. And one thing that I also found attractive with fake is the fact that on Twitter, fake have almost 452,400 followers. Okay, yes, almost 452,400 followers on Twitter. That is to tell you that if people can really follow fake token to that extent, of course, it simply means that fake token is going to massively increase in price. Now, one thing to understand about all this is that fake tokens still have about 9 zeros. Now, if fake token will continue to burn most of their crypto coins, and if fake token will eventually, to me, I believe fake token should need to be listed on other top crypto coins. And if they can achieve that, of course, fake token is expected to increase in price. Now, one thing to understand about altcoin is that fake token feed every gorilla is expected to hit 10,000% rise in 2023, which to me is wonderful. To me is good, because so many people believe that fake token is not the right coin, but I believe that fake token is actually the right coin. So let's keep hoping for the price of fake to really increase in price, or let's keep hoping that fake will burn at least billions and billions of fake token. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.